Science has given us incredible discoveries, from gravity to quantum mechanics, from the smallest atom to the vastness of the universe. But did you know that all of science is built on fundamental laws? Today, we explore what some call the first law of science, the foundation that governs everything we know. But before we get into details, let's answer one question: what exactly is the first law of science? Some say the first law of science is Newton's first law of motion: an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an external force. Others argue it's the law of conservation of energy: energy cannot be created or destroyed. But there's an even deeper principle. The real first law of science is simple: nothing is accepted as true without evidence. In other words, everything must be tested, proven, and repeatable. Without this foundation, science would be no different from myths or beliefs. Imagine if someone said, "Water boils at 200 degrees Celsius just because I believe it." Without testing and proving, we'd never know reality from fiction. This law ensures that every scientific theory is built on facts, not opinions. Examples of this law in action include the discovery of gravity. Legend says Newton discovered gravity when an apple fell. But he didn't just say, "Apples fall because they love the earth." He tested his ideas and formulated the law of universal gravitation. The germ theory of disease changed medicine forever when Louis Pasteur provided evidence that germs cause illness. Einstein's theory of relativity, which sounded crazy at first, was proven through experiments like measuring light bending around the sun. When we forget this rule, we fall into pseudoscience ideas that sound scientific but aren't backed by real evidence. Think of people who believe in astrology or conspiracy theories. Without testing and proof, anyone can claim anything. To think like a scientist, question everything, don't believe something just because someone says it's true. Look for evidence, ask, "Where's the proof?" Test ideas, try experiments yourself. Stay open-minded, be ready to change your mind if new evidence appears. Science isn't just for professionals in labs, it's a way of thinking. Whether you're solving a math problem, questioning a news story, or inventing something new, science starts with evidence. So, what's the real first law of science? It's simple: if something is true, there must be proof. This is what separates science from guesswork, and it's why we can trust scientific discoveries. Stay curious, ask questions, and always look for evidence. That's the scientific way.